Hi Randy, here's your 2008 homologation period CRG Road Rebel. In the pictures in the attached link, you'll see the bottom side. Very little runtime on it. The cart's in pretty good condition. As you can see, there is some surface rust on some of the brake components. Basically, the exposed steel stuff has surface rust. So that's fairly common with the older carts that sit a little bit, but that'll clean up quite nicely. On the brakes, your front brakes are working, but they have more travel than the rear. So two things we can do to address that: bleed the brakes, replace the pads, and see if that becomes a more normal bias. But the brakes work all the way around. It's just, again, the front master cylinder has more travel than normal. This is just a quick walkthrough of the cart. I'm going to start video documenting stuff as I get it. It has the Honda CR125 power plant, and it's a 99 vintage Honda cylinder. Again, a little bit more surface rust on the rear axle and the rear brake rotor. Champion radiator. And then for your data, you have a Micron 4. So Micron 4 single temp, and it looks like they have it equipped with a magnetic sensor pickup. So there's a couple of upgrade options for you, depending on what you want to do with the cart. If you're going to turn around and sell it right away, then I would probably do 2 price lists for the potential buyer. But there's a couple of hardware items that you can clean up here on the engine. There's some coil mount kits available where you can move the coil either to the intake or to the case cover. It'll increase the longevity of the wires. Also, I've noticed the CDI is mounted on the seat. There is a CDI mount available that mounts the CDI on the engine, keeping all the engine components together, and makes it easier to remove the engine and makes it a nice, tidier package. So your throttle, it's a little lagging. So it could be a couple of things. It could be the throttle cable is old and just has dirt and grime on the inside of the throttle cable housing. It could also be something as simple as the previous owner had some fuel sitting in the cart and it dried up in the carburetor, causing the slide basically just to stick a little bit. So that would have to be addressed before you hit the track. Because again, you don't want the accelerator to stick on you or have a slow retraction, because that'll have a tendency to pull you into the corner. I have not fired up the engine, but before I fire up the engine, what I would do is I would remove the water lines and the spark plug and look inside to do a visual inspection of the top of the piston, make sure there's no damage that we can see from that point. Everything looks good. I would mix up some fresh fuel, fire it up, and make sure everything's running. It's very common on the Hondas, and when they sit for a while, that the water pump seals leak. So that's kind of a common thing. Another common issue, you supplied some fuel line. You also supplied an upright cart stand, but it's also very common for these fuel tanks to crack. Once you put fuel in them and then they go dry, they become very brittle. So something to look for. Let's see here. The pipe on the engine is a RLV R2. So that was for the spec Honda class back in around 2008, primarily at Sonoma. They mandated the R2 pipe. There are newer pipes that are available for a little bit more performance if you're selling to somebody out of the area. But a fine pipe for someone that just wants to go out and recreate and pound laps. The cart has a Tillet extra large seat. We call these a quarter pad because the side padding, it's only on a quarter of the seat, so quarter padded extra large Tillet. Rims, looks like you have some Van K style rims or Douglas rims on the rear. So it looks like the rear is Douglas spun aluminum, and the front is Douglas spun aluminum. So those are not the stock CRG rims. They probably did that for tuning. Now tires, the wear on the tires, it's okay. But honestly, the cart's been sitting for a while. They're probably shot, dried out, and hard. If you're just going out pounding laps, they're probably fine to go blow through, burn them off, and then replace them with some newer tires. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. But that is a walk around of your CRG Road Rebel homologation period 2008.